Alright, this will be the first start attempt of the Isuzu Thermo diesel engine. I've got the fuel line hooked up to the pump, primed, jerry-rigged into the input, minus filter for the moment, just to test if it runs, and then the return comes right back into the tank. Got a battery hooked up temporarily, and turned it over a couple times to prime the engine and get some fuel out of the return, so I know that the whole system should be reprimed. I'm hoping that the prime wasn't lost between the injection pump and the injectors up on top. And we're going to try this without a glow plug. I don't know how long it's been since this engine has last started, so we'll see what we get, but they're supposed to be good starters, and I'm hopeful that it hasn't lost its prime. And hopefully the camera will stay there. So 12 volt DC solenoid to enable fuel on the injection pump, and we're going to jump the solenoid by hand. Contact.